This video will walk you through two processes of restoring your Windows PC. Choose and perform one of them. Before you begin, please note that these processes will erase your data. We recommend backing up your computer's data before continuing with the rest of this process. If you are using a portable device such as a laptop, we also recommend keeping the system plugged in with the charger connected during the entire process. Windows Reset lets you perform a clean reinstallation and update of Windows while keeping your personal data and most Windows settings unaffected. Click on the Windows Start button and type Reset this PC into the search bar and open the result. Next to Reset this PC, click on the button that says Reset PC. In the pop-up that appears, select Keep My Files. Choose either Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. If you don't have an internet connection, select Local. Click Next. Then click on Reset when prompted to start the reinstallation process. When the process finishes, you'll be able to log into Windows. To recover your system using SupportAssist OS Recovery, restart your computer. When the Dell logo appears, repeatedly tap F12 to access the one-time boot menu. Once in the menu, select the SupportAssist OS Recovery option. If your computer has the Recovery Image tool pre-installed, you will be brought directly to the SupportAssist OS Recovery homepage. If your system does not have the Recovery Image pre-installed, SupportAssist will prompt you to connect to an available internet network. Once you are connected, the app will download the Recovery Image tool for you. Once the image has downloaded, the system will reboot and automatically load the SupportAssist OS Recovery environment. In the homepage, click on the network icon in the top right corner to make sure you are connected to the internet. If you are not connected, choose a network and connect. Go back to the homepage and click on Start Reset. Depending on the state of your device, you may be presented with two options. Option 1 is Reset to Factory Settings. This will revert the computer back to the state in which it was in when it was shipped to you from the factory. Option 2 is Reset and Update, which will download and install the latest operating system on your computer along with critical drivers and updates. Select your recovery option and click Next. If you are only presented with one option, choose that one. Then, choose whether you want SupportAssist to transfer your data and settings to the new installation. If you are having issues with Windows or want to get rid of corrupted settings, we recommend selecting No, which will erase your previous data. Once you choose, click Next. On the following screen, confirm the reset and that you understand your data will be lost. You will also need to select the reason as to why the system needs to be restored. Hit Next. Choose the storage device where you want to install Windows, and then Next. The reset process will then begin. Please note that if you get an error during the download of the OS image and your system is already connected to the internet, use the Retry button to reattempt the connection and process. Once the process is complete, click on Restart to reboot your computer. A SupportAssist window may automatically appear to complete a few settings in Windows. The device will restart when this process is complete. Your computer will restart into the fresh Windows installation, and you'll be prompted to follow Microsoft's instructions to complete the device